Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we'll see one exception that many of you guys have encountered while working with maps in Java, and it's also an interview questions being asked in many interviews. So let's see. So I have written one code snippet for map where I have initialized my map as an empty map, and then I'm printing a console data insertion in map. Then I'm putting in the map a key as an integer and a value as in boolean, and I'm printing the map value. Okay, so let's execute it. Okay, so an exception has been occurred, java.lang.UnsupportedOperation Exception, while using map in Java. So you guys must also have encountered this, okay, while using map, and this track trace we can see up here. So what was the reason is this behind this? If you can see, while initializing a map, I have created a map and I have initialized it as an empty map. Okay, so the reason, or I would say the main culprit, if you can see, or the documentation of collections.emptyMap, if I'm just open the empty map, the documentation says returns an empty map immutable. This map is serializable. So this is an immutable map. Okay, and that's the catch. Okay, empty map returns immutable map always, and put operation on an immutable map results in an unsupported operation exception. Okay, so the reason is here simple. Whenever you try to putting up data inside this map, though you have already made this as an immutable, it will always return you a unsupported operation exception. So probably that's the main reason behind this exception. And if I basically just remove this empty map, or let me just comment out this map, and if I'm just going to copy this complete statement, and now I'll be initialize this using hash map, and let me just run it again. So you can see now my map is working, and now I can see the data printed over console. So this is one of the interview question also, like you are inserting inside a map, and what if you are inserting using an empty map. Okay, so you can resolve this exception, and so the usage for this empty map is like, suppose you wanted to only pass a empty collection, or you wanted to only set an empty collection, depending upon the case, so you can use this method. Okay, nonetheless you can never use this method to initialize your map, then you will be getting this exception. So that's it for today guys, thank you.